The message says your consciousness is being recalled due to low frame rates over an extended time. It suggests reducing graphics quality settings or troubleshooting your graphics device. Error code mentioned, Rutabaga. This usually happens when a game detects that your system can't keep up with its required frame rate, and as a result, it forcibly pauses or kicks you out to prevent issues. How to fix this? 1. Lower graphics settings, reduce resolution, texture quality, shadows, or other demanding graphics settings in the game. Turn off motion blur, VSync, or anti-aliasing if available. 2. Update GPU drivers. Go to your graphics card's official site, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install the latest drivers. 3. Close background programs. Close any apps using CPU, GPU heavily, Chrome tabs, OBS, Discord, etc. 4. Check frame rate cap. Make sure the game's frame rate cap matches your monitor's refresh rate. If the game allows unlimited FPS, try capping it to something your system can maintain, e.g. 60 FPS. 5. Reduce display resolution. Temporarily drop the in-game resolution to see if it prevents the error. 6. Restart system. After changes, restart the PC to clear memory VRAM issues. If you want, I can write a full SEO-friendly title, description, and hashtags for a YouTube video explaining how to fix this exact TIME SKEW MAXED /Rutabaga error for Marathon Server Slam. This will help it rank for people searching for this error.